Have you ever stopped to think that you might be just 6 months away from a completely new financial life? Yes, that's right. Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of all time, has revealed powerful strategies that anyone can apply to quickly transform their financial reality. You might think that getting rich is a matter of luck or being in the right place at the right time, but Buffett challenges this belief with his practical and accessible advice. He has proven that with dedication, knowledge, and the right actions, you can achieve prosperity faster than you might imagine. Want to find out how? Let's dive into Warren Buffett's incredible tips and see how you can start making money and becoming rich in just 6 months. Warren Buffett, often called the Oracle of Omaha, is one of the most successful and respected investors in the world. Born in 1930, he showed an early talent for business and investments, buying his first stock at the age of 11. Over the years, Buffett has built a financial empire, primarily through his company Berkshire Hathaway, turning modest investments into impressive fortunes. His simple and disciplined approach, based on thorough analysis and patience, has inspired millions to follow in his footsteps. It's no wonder that Warren Buffett is an authority in the world of investments. He has accumulated considerable wealth through investment strategies that prioritize long-term value over quick gains. His advice is followed by investors worldwide because he practices what he preaches, and his results speak for themselves. If someone wants to learn how to get rich in 6 months or make money consistently, paying attention to Buffett's lessons is the best choice to make. Following Warren Buffett's advice isn't just about listening but applying his principles in a practical and consistent manner. One of his main recommendations is to invest in yourself, something he considers essential for anyone who wants to achieve financial success and get rich in 6 months. After all, personal investment is the foundation for any successful venture. Now, let's explore how you can apply this crucial tip in your life and transform your financial trajectory. Education and continuous learning. Investing in yourself is the foundation of any financial success. Buffett always emphasizes the importance of constantly acquiring knowledge. He dedicates hours of his day to reading and studying. For those who want to get rich in 6 months, this practice can be transformative. Enrolling in online courses on investments, personal finance, or even areas like personal development can open doors that once seemed inaccessible. Books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher are excellent starting points. Personal and professional development. Growing both personally and professionally is essential to increasing your earning potential. Developing skills that enhance your employability or improving those you already have can make a big difference. For example, learning a new language or obtaining professional certifications can open up new job and investment opportunities. It's about always being prepared to seize the opportunities that arise, thereby making money more efficiently. In addition to investing in knowledge and personal development, it is crucial to maintain strict control over your finances. Warren Buffett highlights that good financial planning and expense control are fundamental to quickly accumulating wealth. Let's now see how you can effectively implement these practices in your daily life to achieve your financial goals. Budgeting and planning. Creating a budget is one of the first steps toward achieving financial stability. Warren Buffett always emphasizes the importance of knowing exactly where your money is going. Without proper planning, it's easy to lose control of your finances and miss out on valuable investment opportunities. Take the time to record all your expenses and income. Use apps like YNAB, You Need a Budget, or Google Sheets to streamline this process. With a well-structured budget, you'll have a clear view of how to save and invest to get rich in 6 months. Avoid unnecessary debt. Debt can be a significant obstacle to accumulating wealth. Buffett advises avoiding unnecessary debt at all costs, especially high-interest ones like credit cards. Instead, prioritize saving and invest that money wisely. If you already have debts, focus on paying them off as quickly as possible. A practical example is using the snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debts first, creating momentum to tackle the larger ones. This control will help free up more money for investments and profitable opportunities. With your finances in order and debts under control, the next step is to make smart investments. Warren firmly believes that studying and understanding where to invest is essential for building wealth. Let's explore Buffett's recommended investment strategies and how to apply them to maximize your gains and ensure a solid financial future. Study and research. To invest effectively, it's crucial to dedicate time to study and research. Warren Buffett doesn't invest in anything he doesn't deeply understand. He spends hours analyzing companies and markets before making any decision. If you want to make money and get rich in 6 months, you should adopt the same approach. Use resources like the book The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham and websites like Morningstar to deepen your knowledge. Studying market trends and understanding the fundamentals of companies is essential for making informed decisions. Investment diversification. Diversification is a strategy that Buffett greatly values. This means not putting all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and types of assets to minimize risks. For example, in addition to stocks, consider investing in real estate funds, ETFs, and even small local businesses. This diversification protects your portfolio against market fluctuations and increases your chances of obtaining consistent returns. Investing wisely requires not only study and diversification, but also discipline. Patience and persistence are keys to financial success. Patience and persistence. Patience is a virtue that Warren Buffett deeply values. He believes that to achieve significant financial goals, one must be persistent and patient. In the world of investments, results don't appear overnight. It's necessary to stay committed, even when the market is volatile. Buffett often says that the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Therefore, when aiming to get rich in 6 months, keep in mind that patience can be your most powerful ally. Rational decision-making. Making rational decisions is essential for financial success. Warren Buffett emphasizes that emotions should never influence investment choices. Greed and fear are enemies of rationality. Before investing, evaluate the facts and make choices based on concrete data. For example, during a market downturn, instead of panicking and selling your stocks, analyze whether the company still has strong fundamentals. This emotional control can prevent unnecessary losses and ensure long-term gains. In addition to cultivating a strong and disciplined mindset, it is inspiring to learn about stories of people who followed Warren Buffett's advice and achieved financial success. These real-life stories can serve as motivation and guidance for your own journey. Let's now explore some practical examples of success that can inspire you to apply Buffett's lessons and transform your financial life. Many investors have followed Warren Buffett's advice and achieved remarkable financial success. For example, Christopher Davis, a renowned fund manager, attributes much of his success to Buffett's teachings. Davis followed the philosophy of long-term investments and the importance of thoroughly studying before making decisions. He invested in solid companies like Berkshire Hathaway and saw his portfolio grow consistently. These examples show that applying Buffett's strategies can truly transform your financial situation. For those looking to deepen their knowledge and follow in Warren Buffett's footsteps, there are various tools and resources available. Books, courses, apps, and software can provide the necessary support for those who want to manage their finances effectively and achieve their wealth goals. Next, let's explore some of these recommended tools that can be fundamental in your journey to making money and getting rich. Books and courses. To deepen your knowledge of investments and finance, books are an excellent source of wisdom. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham is frequently recommended by Warren Buffett and is considered the Bible of investors. Another essential book is Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher, which offers valuable insights on how to choose winning stocks. Additionally, online courses like those offered by Coursera and Udemy can provide a more practical and applicable understanding of financial and investment concepts. Apps and software. Managing your finances can be made easier with the use of specific apps and software. Apps like Mint and YNAB, You Need a Budget, help track expenses, create budgets, and plan your personal finances. For investments, platforms like Robinhood and TD Ameritrade offer analysis tools and transaction execution that can be extremely useful. Utilizing these technologies can simplify your financial life and increase your chances of success. With all these tools and resources at your disposal, the knowledge and discipline you acquire can be applied more efficiently. Now that you know Warren Buffett's valuable tips, it's time to take action and transform your financial life. Are you ready to invest in yourself, manage your finances, make smart investments, and have the right mindset for success? The journey to getting rich begins with a single step, and it's up to you to turn the tide. So, what are you going to do now? Don't let this chance slip away. Comment below which strategy you will use first and share your financial goals. And of course, to keep learning about how to make money and get rich, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Let's achieve financial prosperity and make our dreams come true together. Right here on your screen, there's a video for you if you want to learn how to change your life once and for all. Click on it and get your mind ready for success.